Every day, the world's factories are becoming smarter and interconnected, driven by advancements in industrial embedded systems and IoT software frameworks. Vantron, with expertise in embedded AI and industrial IoT solutions, plays a crucial role in this transformation. For over 2 decades, we have empowered more than 800 global leaders to accelerate production cycles with real-time edge analytics, predict equipment failures through AI-driven insights, and achieve fully integrated applications tailored to their needs. Our comprehensive portfolio of embedded solutions includes edge AI devices, industrial control systems, industrial smart displays, and IoT communication devices, addressing every stage challenges of the smart factory ecosystem. Device layer, the edge intelligence core. In production lines where every second counts, our industrial-grade edge hardware integrates seamlessly into industrial equipment and robotic control systems, providing high-performance computing, edge AI analysis, logic control to ensure smart and stable production operations. Communication layer, the industrial nervous system. We gather real-time data to unlock key information, facilitate seamless connectivity, reduce latency, and enhance data privacy. Our industrial communication solutions perform data pre-processing and edge cloud data exchange to ensure secure, reliable production line data, guarantee the real-time transmission of critical signals, such as emergency stop commands, and maintain connectivity in extreme environments. Cloud layer, the remote control tower. With the Vantron BlueSphere cloud platform, customers can not only reduce operating costs, but also boost equipment efficiency and reliability. The GWM platform supports batch configuration and monitoring of edge gateways and IoT devices, facilitating OTA upgrading and troubleshooting. The MDM platform unifies the management of Android-based industrial devices, like rugged tablets, ensuring data security and regulatory compliance. Interaction layer, human-centric intelligence. We offer standard and customized HMI solutions with diverse display sizes and comprehensive communication interfaces, meeting various industrial applications. Touchscreens can pair with our industrial embedded computers or embedded board to be transformed into powerful all-in-one panel PCs, supporting on-site monitoring and decision-making. Industrial tablets can be used in on-site inspection, streamlining workflows, enhancing efficiency, and boosting productivity. We are creating a fully connected ecosystem that harnesses the power of real-time data, enhances operational efficiency, and drives digital transformation. With robust and innovative technology, we help businesses build smarter, more agile, and future-ready factories. Embedded in your success, embedded in your better life.